Welcome to a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity in Warners Bay, where the serene beauty of the lake becomes your everyday panorama. Offering uninterrupted views of Lake Macquarie, this property gives you a lifestyle of luxury and comfort.
Imagine waking up each morning to the gentle shimmer of the lake, or unwinding of an evening to the sun setting over the water. These are your moments to cherish every single day.
I'm David Tanchevski, this is Courtney Matheson. Welcome to 520 the Esplanade, Warners Bay. If you're a local, you'll appreciate the exclusivity of this location and the rare opportunity that it presents. If you're a buyer from out of area, you will not find a better location for your new home. Located directly across from the water's edge and only 2 minutes walk to the trendiest cafes and restaurants Lake Macquarie has to offer.
Don't miss this rare opportunity to make this stunning property your own, where luxury meets lakeside living in the heart of Warners Bay.
Contact us today to organise your private viewing and start living the life that you've always dreamed of.